welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I make my favorite iced caramel macchiato. It's a good hack for the Starbucks iced caramel macchiato, and it is half the price and it is also keto. So this year I promised myself to spend less and also to try more of the keto diet, hitting two birds in one stone on this recipe. I hope you guys like it. It looks so Instagrammable and it tastes really amazing. So I hope you guys try it. If you want to know the recipe, keep on watching. So these are what you'll need. Sugar-free caramel syrup, Lavazza ground espresso coffee. I think that this brand has the closest taste to Starbucks espresso. An espresso machine, which is totally optional. If you have any other appliance that can make you an espresso, that will be fine. I am such a coffee addict, so if you're a coffee addict like me, this is such a good investment. Torani's sugar-free vanilla syrup, almond milk or any milk of your choice, and a cup of ice. So here are the steps to making the iced caramel macchiato. So first, let's make our espresso. So I am going to get 1 tablespoon of the Lavazza ground espresso. I'm gonna put it on the portafilter, which is included in my espresso machine. And then I'm gonna press the ground coffee in. And then I'm gonna slide it in. And I'm gonna put my shot glass at the bottom. And then just turn it on and wait for the espresso to come out. Then I just grab my cup of ice and I just put milk into it and I just fill it in closest to the brim, just making room for the espresso shot. Now grab your sugar-free vanilla syrup and use the cap to measure. I put 2 cups full. So the next step that I'm doing is just purely for aesthetics. I'm pouring my espresso on top of the back of the spoon so it can slowly drip onto my milk and wouldn't interrupt it, so the espresso just floats on top of the milk. But honestly, you can just dump your espresso on top of the milk and that is also totally fine. And the last step will be putting 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free caramel syrup. Honestly, if you want more, you can do 2, 3, whatever is your preference. And that's it, my keto-friendly Starbucks hack for the iced caramel macchiato. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked my recipe and I hope you try it at home. And I'll see you on my next one.
Stay to work. Be so fun.